How to change capital letters into lowercase in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs page, and you can see I have some content here. And this paragraph I have all text, or you can all word in capital. So if you want to make it the smaller or lowercase, so we need to use one tools of this Google Docs. What you need to do, just select that text which you want to make the lowercase. Just select the text like this, go to the format. Here you can see the text option, and come to the very bottom. Here you can see the option called capitalization, and now we can use that lowercase or uppercase. So for now we need to make it lowercase, so just click on lowercase. The all the you know content has been converted in lowercase. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.